Well, happy Monday and also happy first day of March. Today we were back trading in our live stream and didn't trade a whole lot today. It seemed like price movement was really slow. It just didn't, everything was just kind of blah. It was just after the first 30 minutes, we weren't really getting good signals for entries and price movement. Just to me, it seemed like it was really slowed down. So took a couple mighty 90 trades. Win plus 156, Baidu plus 140. Boeing is the one that hurt me. It was minus 480, and that was on a upside runner. Microsoft 119 on an upside runner. Neo upside runner plus 138, and this one was one we did in the live stream, so I want to make sure I code that one right. So plus 73 for the day. It's basically nothing. So. But hey, wasn't green, so let's take a look. Win. So win mighty 90 right here. Volume bar bigger than the previous one. So got long down here, rode it up these two bars. Perfect mighty 90 plus 156. Baidu. So I jumped in this mighty 90. Let's get this blown up a little bit here. So I jumped in this mighty 90 right here. This was, again, another upside. Tried to get in as it pushed down here. And I got in right down here at the bottom, rode it up a couple bars. That was a plus 140. Then Boeing was a, where's Boeing at? Okay, so Boeing we had, it was really strong out of the gates. So I was looking right here, so it had a really high volume. It wasn't quite as high as this one, but it was still, just big pushes. So I was looking for a pullback. Got a pullback right here, thinking this pivot and it would continue up. And it just chopped around, and it just slowly bled, and then I think I ended up getting out when it bounced here, or maybe when it started to push down here, but it just bled me dry. You can see where it just fell apart. But forever, it was just like I said, price movement was just really slow today. So, not only did it not bounce on me, but it just was choppy, and until it finally, I was kind of hoping I was holding it because I was hoping it would move up, but it just started falling apart down. And so minus 480 really took my profits from today. Microsoft. So Microsoft was a upside runner and got, let's see, I need to back up here. Okay, so on Microsoft, I got long on this pullback here. So it pulled back to here, rode it up. I lost some profits here, continuing to try to ride it up, and I ended up getting out. I was just chopping in here. Actually, I think I held one piece. Yeah, I held one piece, and I ended up getting out of everything right here. So plus 119 winner. And then Neo was also an upside runner. So right here is volume bar bigger than this one. We got a pullback in price, rode it up, and ended up being a plus 138. I think I lost some profits when it came down here, and I ended up getting out down here instead of holding on to it, where I would have got some profits back. So 138 could have been more if I'd have held on, or if I'd have got out up here after these two bars here. But I held a piece and ended up losing some profits. But overall, to start the month of March, plus $73. So we'll be back at it tomorrow in the live stream, and hopefully we can get a little bit better price action. So we'll see you then. Peace.